Hurricane speech assignment. Do you know what a hurricane is? A hurricane is a composed series of wind. It is a powerful storm. It can destroy houses. A hurricane can also destroy landscapes. 2. The biggest hurricane was Hurricane Hugo. It was about several years ago. The hurricane went miles into the land. It destroyed houses. It also destroyed the landscape. A hurricane is a destructive force. It is not like any other destructive force. It is like any other destructive force. Also, tornado is a destructive force too. These storms can destroy homes and landscapes as well. A hurricane's wind can move up to 500 miles per hour. A sailor sound will probably know if a hurricane was forming above him or not. Animals can predict hurricane hours before it strikes. A hurricane is an interesting topic to write about. Hurricanes all started with the first hurricane. Hurricanes are so amazing to read about. I hope you like to read about hurricanes too. I also hope you like other natural phenomena. Emily format. Don't. Hurricane aftermath.